how to change your region settings in Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So if you want to change your current region on your Windows 11, then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. For that, go to your taskbar and then on the search bar, search for settings and then open it up. And now on the left hand side, search for time and language. Tap on it, and then here you'll find language and region. And here under region, you'll find country or region and tap on the drop down, and from here you'll find list of reasons that you can choose from. Choose any country of your preference, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.